The magnetic manipulator hardware is centered around the Arduino Do microcontroller. The Arduino communicates via serial to the computer, which is running the system GUI. It creates a PWM signal, which powers the transistor circuit, controlling the power provided to the electromagnet, and it powers the transistors, which control the system state LEDs. The electromagnet interacts not only with the levitating object in order to keep it in position, but also with the Hall sensor, which detects the strength of the magnetic field at the bottom of the coil, and with the Hall sensor at the top of the coil. The Hall sensor at the top of the coil detects only the field created by the coil itself, whereas the sensor at the bottom of the coil detects the field created by both the coil itself as well as the levitating object. The data from each of these sensors is passed on to a Hall processing circuit, which subtracts the signal from the top of the coil from that of the one at the bottom of the coil in order to isolate the signal of the current field strength of the magnet itself. This data is then passed on to the Arduino microcontroller, which uses it to gain information on the current position of the levitating object and properly adjust itself to maintain levitation. The system also sports an enable switch, which can be used to easily enable or disable the system by the user.